All right, guys, welcome back. This is Module 6, Lesson 2. So again, we were in the new module book, Module 6, Lesson 2. Yesterday when we were working on numbers between 0 and 1. So our whole number was always 0, point whatever our fraction was. Today we are going to looking at decimals that have a whole number and a number in the tenths position, okay? So let's take a look at 1a really quickly. They gave us 2.6 equals, and they want us to show it in like a mixed number, as a mixed number. And if we remember back to fractions, that mixed number is a whole number with a fraction. So if they give us 2.6, again, we're gonna remember our place value chart. So we had ones, tens, hundreds, and then remember behind it, we had tenths and hundredths. Don't forget that THS at the end. Our decimal point is right here, and this was over 10, this was over 100, just like we were practicing from the other day. So if we have 2.6 and we need to write this as a mixed number, I take my 2, that is my whole number. It would go in front. We know we have 2 wholes. This little guy right here, this decimal point, he's really another word for and. So if you hear 2 and 6/10, you know that where you see and, that is your decimal. The word and in math can mean decimal, okay? So we have 2 and 6/10, so I put my 6 over 10. So 2 and 6/10 would equal 2.6. If we're down here, and this is B, 1B in your module book, 3 and 4 centimeters, or 3.4 centimeters. We're going to write it as a mixed number. So again, I take my whole number, that is my 3, that goes first, and my 4 is in the tenths position, so I do 4 over 10. So if I have 3 and 4 tenths, it would equal 3.4. Now I want you to scroll on down to 2a. I'm all the way down on 2a. And this is giving us in word form, and they're asking us to draw it. Okay, so here's how this is going to look. This one says 2 ones and 6/10. Now, this and right here, this is telling me that's where my decimal point would be. So I have 2 ones and, which means decimal point, 6/10. So down here I have to shade. Well, I have 2 ones. Okay, well, these are groups of 10. So I'm going to shade one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, because still we have 2 ones, so that's complete 2. And then I have 6/10. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would show me 2 wholes and 6 out of 10, or 2.6. This is an example. This is not in your module book, but I'm going to show you one more. 3 ones and 4/10. Again, where you're going to have a nice little flashing light bulb in our head that says, oop, and shows me my decimal point. So I should have 3.4. So again, I'm going to color in my 3 holes down here. 1, 2, 3 holes. And then I have 4/10. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this gives me 3 wholes. And again, my 4 out of 10. This should look familiar. This is your, sorry, that's a 10. This is your mixed number, your 3 and your 4/10. It will also equal 3 decimal point 4. Go ahead and continue on with the rest of your problem set.